If it needs to be complicated to be simple, it must be the Samsung E950. That's how we could best describe the Samsung E950. Sa unang tingin pa lang, ano ang mapapansin mo? Malinis, hindi ba? Thanks to the cutting-edge sub-touch navigation panel called the Dynamic Adaptive Control Pad, there are no keys sticking out on top and bottom. Meron mang secondary button, very minimal lang ito at halos hindi pansin, tulad ng volume rocker at universal port sa kaliwang panel at power button at camera shortcut key sa kanan. You would notice there are two external screens here. The first one is the 2 inches screen display and the other one is the sub-display, which is actually the touchpad. This innovative technology brightens up with white color and changes the input keys according to their menu requirements. It is also equipped with search engines like Yahoo, which has a dedicated menu and a smart search that easily locates files. If you're familiar with Mac's Spotlight and Vista's quick search box, Samsung's Smart Search works just the same. This is the first Samsung handset that has a graphical user interface. Hindi lang yan. This handset is one of the few of Samsung's units that has ICE power amplifier. Kaya naman sakaling magpatugtog ka, malakas talaga ang tunog nito. Another reason for its audio quality is its dual speakers. One on top of the main screen and the other is at the back. Now if you slide open the handset, it will reveal its 3.2 megapixel camera that has self-portrait mirror and a flash but no autofocus. This camera yields average photo results. Removing the back cover is a breeze. Just slide it up or down to unlock and lock. It holds firm too, so the SIM bed, battery, and the memory card is secured pretty well enough underneath. Now one more thing I think is worth mentioning is the phone's capability to recognize emotions through vivid text reading. So instead of reading words in SMS, you will see moving icons like this. Ito ang itsura ng text message kapag ka na-send na sa iyo. Marami pang ibang emoticons na available para sa iyo. Pwede itong makita sa review ng Sige Na o i-review. See, mushy messages could get even mushier. This is Samsung's E950. A real innovation hidden in sleek elegance. E-Reviews or Sige Na's review will give you more insights about the strengths and weaknesses of this phone.